Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hit that subscribe button. Turn on that post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a video. And in today's video, we are doing a soft glam on my girl Diamond. And y'all, this is so crazy. We've been friends for so long, and tell me why this is like my first time ever doing her makeup, like full face, full everything. Okay, so what I'm using on her brows is the Morphe micro brow pencil in the color chocolate mousse, and I started from aligning the bottom of her eyebrow and then doing strokes in the front to mimic kind of like hairline strokes. So then what I use to clean up the brow is a flat brush when I use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. I got it from my hair store. All the products that I use and everything will be down below. So we're gonna outline the bottom part of her brow. See how this looking? Okay, we looking good. We looking good. Okay. Then the same concealer that I use for the bottom, I'm gonna use at the top. Now, in my eyebrow tutorial that's on my page, I showed y'all how to do my brows. So I do it the same exact way. You can use a concealer that is the same color as your skin, or you can use your foundation, or you can use the concealer that you use for the bottom, like I'm doing. Okay, brows come through, looking good. Okay, then I use that same pencil, brow pencil that I got, and I kind of fade out the front part because you don't want it too harsh. Next, we're going in with the Rimmel London Stay Matte Full Coverage Foundation in the color 506D. And I'm going to use a clean, yes, I wash my beauty blenders. Clean beauty blender. I'm gonna blend her out. You gotta make sure that your foundation is blended, okay? Now, for highlight, highlight. I'm going to use that same concealer that I use for her brows and the same brush, and I'm gonna put that concealer up under her eye. And we're gonna do it on her forehead, the bridge of her nose, top part of her lip, and her chin. Okay? Then I'm gonna get another clean beauty blender, and I'm going to blend it out. Now, I do the eyes last, so just to let it sit a little longer. But you know, we're gonna blend it out. Blending is key, okay, sis? When you feel like you just blend it, you need to blend some out. Okay, just blend some out. Then once I have that kind of blended out, I kind of like how it looks, but I'm gonna go in with my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, and what color is this in? Golden Honey, and I'm put it up under her eyes just to brighten it up a little bit more. You know, your under eye got to be popping, sis. Okay, when you're doing highlight, contour, and all that, when you're doing a full beat, honey, under your eyes got to be, you know, popping. It got to be there. Okay, it got to be there. Okay, so the powder that I'm using under her eyes is from Revolution and Banana Deep, and I got this from Ulta. And when I tell you, I thought it was gonna be high, it was only $8. So all the products that I'm using in this video is mostly up under $10. I either get it from Walmart, or I get it from my hair store, or I get it from Ulta. Don't think because you're going Ulta, you know, everything just high. You got some affordable stuff in there. Don't be scared of going on. So I use that powder. I do the bridge of her nose, her lip, her chin, and on her forehead. And since I put concealer on her lid, also I'm going to put powder on her lid also. Okay, now I don't know what happened to this clip, y'all, but I set her face with a setting powder from Ruby Kisses, also from the hair store. And to contour her face, I used the Ruby Kisses 3D contour palette, powder, and I used the 2 darker shades to contour her face and her nose. And for the eyes, I used the Nicka K Autumn Spice palette. I also got that from the hair store, and it was only $2.99, I think. Yes, it was on $2.99. And the colors that I pointed out, those are 2 colors that I used in her crease. And as you see me doing now is getting that concealer that I had on the back of my hand to kind of carve out where I want her eyeshadow to be. And in that same Nicka K eyeshadow palette in Autumn Spice, I used that middle color, like the nude. It's like a nude color but like a pinkish orangish undertone to it. I put that exactly where I put the concealer. I put the concealer so that the eyeshadow has something to stick to. And another reason why I had that powder sitting up under her eye is because when you do eyeshadow, sometimes you have fallout, and you don't want the eyeshadow to mess up what you did under her eyes. So you put a little extra powder just to catch the fallout. Then I'm gonna get this little, I would say kind of a kabuki brush, if y'all remember those. And I'm gonna dust away that powder and everywhere else that I have powder. I'm gonna dust that away. Then we're going to go into the lashes. I'm gonna put some mascara, WetNWild Mega Mascara, and then after we do that, we're going into the WetNWild MegaLiner, and we're going to line her lid. And like I said, y'all, our products gonna be down below. Now these lashes, y'all, these lashes come from my hair store. I think it was $2.99. They just came in. I can't think of the name of them, but I'll have that down below also in the description box. So make sure y'all check that out, because like I said before, our products is gonna be down below. Okay, and then I grabbed another palette Nicka K palette called Sugar Plum. And I also got that from the hair store. Now in that palette you have a blush and eyeshadow. So I used the two blushes that's in the palette. And I dusted on her cheeks to give her a little color to her face. And then I spray her face with the Mario Badescu face spray. And then for highlight, I go into my BH Cosmetics Hanging in Hawaii palette. And I use the color Sandy for her highlight. Yes, I use the eyeshadow for her highlight. You can use that, okay? Don't be thinking that you have to just go and buy a highlighter when honestly, if you have a shimmer looking eyeshadow in any palette you have, honey, use it. Then I'm setting her brows with the e.l.f. Clear Brow and Lash Mascara. And then I'm going in with a brown, it's an eyebrow pencil, but I also use it for lips also. It's from WetNWild. It was only 89 cents from Walmart. And then I went in with this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte lipstick. This is the chocolate series and it's the color 844. But I kind of didn't like how that was really looking, so I went in with a MAC lipstick. I cannot think of the name of it because it rubbed off. I'm sorry, but I kind of see the number is A78, and I put it on her lip, and I kind of like how it looked. And then I went back in with the brown pencil just to bring some of that brown back because it was just too nude for me. And then I went in on top with a butter gloss from NYX and Fortune Cookie. This been going around Facebook for so long, y'all. I had to get it. She'll FaceTime my mom. Then we're going in with a black pencil. You can use any black pencil that you have. The pencil that I'm using here is a WetNWild pencil. I also got that from Walmart too. And we're going to line her bottom. Then the same mascara that we use for her top lashes, we're also using for her bottom. Now this is very tricky because it is very ticklish. I don't know. But yes, that's it, y'all. Crazy stuff. She plays so much. She was really feeling herself. Anybody knows her knows this girl is funny. So that's it. That's all. That's all right. Period. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. Any other looks that y'all want me to do, let me know down below, and I will be gladly to do it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.